December the 1st. We're in Bragg Creek. This is on Burnside Drive. And these two trees have fallen over and are on top of the power wires. Power's been out since 1 o'clock this morning, and Fortis indicate that we won't have power until 4 o'clock this afternoon. December the 1st, we're at Bragg Creek, and this is on Bracken Road. Trees falling down, taking the power lines with them. Again, we're on Bracken Road in Bragg Creek. Tree is fallen, taking down the power lines. Fortis indicate it's going to be 4 o'clock this afternoon. I think it's going to be a little longer than that before we get power on this street. Bragg Creek. And here we've got a tree that snapped off, landed on the box of this truck. Got some more trees down here from the windstorm in Bragg Creek on December the 1st. Lots of trees on roofs.